Machine simulation, MDES equipment starter export. Shop floor solutions like collision avoidance systems and VisualTwin need accurate machine setup data to function, and getting that data across meant relying on proprietary formats or manual transfers. With the new MDES equipment starter export in MachSim, machine setup data can now be exported through an open, standards-based interface. Multi-tool setups, including workpiece, stock, and fixture across multiple operations, are packaged into a validated MDES-compliant data stream that connected solutions can access directly. Collision Avoidance and VisualTwin can use this data right away. Fewer manual inputs, fewer errors, and faster machine setup across the board.